Hey there, nature lovers and conservation enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a truly inspiring story of ecological revival and the incredible power of nature's resilience. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the transformation of Redonda, a Caribbean island, from a barren wasteland to a thriving wildlife haven. So, let's set the scene. Redonda, a tiny island in the Caribbean, had been ravaged by invasive species for centuries. Rats and feral goats had taken over, destroying native wildlife and vegetation, and even harming the surrounding marine ecosystem. It was a true ecological disaster. But here's where the story takes an incredible turn. In 2016, conservationists stepped in and began the arduous task of eradicating these invasive species. And the results? Well, they're nothing short of mind-blowing. By 2017, the rats and goats were gone, and nature began its remarkable comeback. In just a few short years, the island transformed. Vegetation biomass skyrocketed by over 2,000%, and the native wildlife returned in droves. Land birds and endemic reptiles made their way back, and the most astonishing recovery of all was that of the critically endangered Redonda ground dragon. Its population exploded, showcasing the incredible resilience of these lizards and the power of removing major ecological pressures. Now, fast forward to 2023, and Redonda has received a major upgrade in protection. Antigua and Barbuda have established the Redonda Ecosystem Reserve, safeguarding almost 30,000 hectares of land and sea. This reserve includes the entire island, surrounding seagrass meadows, and an impressive 18,000-hectare coral reef. The significance of this move cannot be overstated. Redonda is now a safe haven for at least 30 globally threatened or near-threatened species and hosts internationally important seabird colonies. It's a testament to the collaborative efforts of the government and conservation groups, and it also helps Antigua and Barbuda meet its conservation commitments under the Kunming-Montreal Global Biodiversity Framework. But the story doesn't end there. Conservationists are not resting on their laurels. They're working tirelessly to ensure the island's continued recovery. Biosecurity measures are being implemented to prevent the return of invasive species, wildlife recovery is being monitored, and plans are underway to reintroduce native species like iguanas and burrowing owls. Redonda's transformation is not just a local success story. It's a beacon of hope for the entire Caribbean region, which faces immense ecological pressures and the additional threats of climate change. This island's revival shows us that nature, given the chance, can bounce back with astonishing speed and resilience. So, as we reflect on Redonda's journey, we're left with a powerful message. Invasive species removal and conservation efforts can have a profound impact on our ecosystems. And with the right protection and support, nature can thrive and even surpass our wildest expectations. I hope this story inspires us all to continue fighting for the preservation and restoration of our planet's precious biodiversity. Until next time, keep exploring and cherishing our natural world.